So in front of you is the suspension from my VOLVO XC40. This is the right side suspension. Here is the broken axle shaft, and the whole part here is broken also. So I will order a new one or used one. I will replace it and the car will be ready for body shop. So today I need to unscrew the brake caliper, disassemble this fork, and I will take the whole suspension out, and I will have better access to unscrew the axle shaft and repair some damage here. So let's time to work. Some trick how to put here some wood or something hard enough, because when someone go to the car and press the brake, those brake pad will squeeze. So if you put something here, there will be no problem to put the brake caliper on the road. To avoid braking fuel leak, I don't want to unscrew, every line. I will hang the brake caliper here, so that saves me some brake fluid. I will apply this piece of wood. Now I will unscrew the steering rack. If you don't have the special tool to take this out, just do one simple thing. Take the same size, this. Find something that can you hit, screw it, and hammer it, and the part is loose. So a few things left to take the suspension out. Now I have to disconnect the ABS line. And I have one advice for you guys. If you don't want to lose bolts, just screw it on place. So that's the simple way to not losing bolts. So let's start to disassemble it. It is very easy to do. Just pull it. Today I'm going to the company that can fix the wheel. I hope they will do it. Oh my god. Oh my. Such a badly accident. Fuck. Something is wrong because this is my second trip with the recording, and I see second accident. I think this is a sign that I need to watch out on the roads. As you see here, I have the rim back in my shop. All I have to do now is use the sandpaper, sand everything here to smooth this out. I will put the 1 or 2 coats of primer, sand it again, wet sand it. I will use the black base coat. The whole rim will be painted in black. Then I will need to go to this guy again and he will machine the rim. He will cut those marks, you know. See? He will use the special machine. The rim will be machined to acquire that kind of look. And the final step will be the 1 or 2 layers of clear coat, and this rim should look like new again. But you will see this on the next episode, and probably I will start the painting process of the Volvo.